Hi there, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw the Dynamitron skin from the Stumble Guys. Let's start with the top of his head, a curve shape, and then another curve line underneath, a line that comes in, another curve line coming across. Now we're going to continue that line down. This is the side of his head, turning into the chin, and then back up again. Now we're going to draw the middle part of his mask. It's almost like a blue ninja. Then an oval shape for one eye. Now you can colour this in or leave it white, it's up to you. And another one for the other eye. And then don't forget the eyebrow. Notice how I flicked the line out. And then a couple of lines on each side for the mask. Now we're going to draw his chest plate or his outfit, so a big curve there. Now coming straight down, and then to the left we're going to draw a straight line down the width of his head. And now this is going to be what appears to be like a belt. You can see how it's the width of his head there. Now a diagonal line coming in and another one coming in from the other side. Now this diagonal line is parallel to the other one on the right. Then we're going to do two more, leaving, they're almost like stripes, where the middle section is the thicker part. Another series of diagonal lines there. A straight line, it's the side of his body. And a couple more little lines there for details. Now his arm's a curved line. You've got a little bit of a thumb and then it curves back up and around into where the shoulder is. Now we have to do the same on the other side. So a little thumb and a little curve coming around and then back up for the top. Now some wrist straps on, and you'll notice that it's like three lines, almost like a letter Z or a zigzag. Now we've got the front part of his outfit, the same width as his diagonal bits coming down. Now we've got his leg and his other leg. Now because he's symmetrical, try and keep it the same on both sides. And like a sock or a foot piece there, a foot strap, and then he's got his boots coming down and around. So straight down and around. And there we have the outlining of Dynamitron. Now I like to go around my drawings with a thicker outliner. I'm using a brush pen here and I've sped it up, and then it's time to colour in. I start with a base layer using a marker, and then I use some coloured pencils to create some shading and the details on Dynamitron skin.